In the late news tonight, a woman now arrested. This following disturbing video and images of her threatening a person in their car with a gun over a parking spot. The situation also bringing to light a bigger conversation about anger management. We're going to hear from the experts.
Plus, Texans rising up to help. Now, the Coastal Bend Blood Center has been helping victims in the Michigan school shooting this week by sending them emergency blood donations.
And a huge matchup happening this Friday at Hornet Stadium. How Flower Bluff District officials are getting ready to accommodate all of those fans. The prep's underway.
Good evening and thanks for joining us here. I'm Mike Gillespie.
And I'm Leslie Adamy. At the top for us tonight, they were those terrifying images on social media of a woman seen pointing a handgun at other people inside of a car, making a threat to shoot them. Yeah,
that incident allegedly stemming from a dispute over a parking spot at a local grocery store parking lot. Just yesterday, police identified the aggressor, a 60-year-old Rossi Dennis. She was arrested and charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
And tonight, one professional counselor says this case is just one example of what can happen when someone lets their anger get the best of them. Our Bill Churchwell joins us now with the update in tonight's top story. Bill?
From the pandemic to the holiday season, there are a number of factors that can end up triggering a person to reach their boiling point. Tonight, I spoke with an expert who had a few tips on how to keep that from happening.
Even a parking place can spark somebody's anger.
Professional counselor Jodi Ochoa is reacting to the latest viral post of a reported public display of rage.
Fortunately, in this situation, somebody really could have gotten hurt.
Ochoa specializes in anger management and even holds weekly classes on how to keep your cool. All you have to do is type in public meltdown online and you will find plenty of examples of what can happen when someone reaches their boiling point. The factors can vary, but stress and anxiety are generally at the top of the list.
One running theme for a while was disrespect, being disrespected or the feeling of disrespect.
Ochoa says all it takes is one unhealthy knee-jerk response that can result in a lifetime worth of consequences.
Or something that does just kind of build up over time and a person gets overwhelmed and doesn't know how to deal with the emotions that are coming up.
According to Ochoa, if someone knows they have an anger issue, have a support system in place, someone you can talk to, and think ahead about situations that you know may be stressful.
Even traffic, for example, if you're leaving home and you know you're going to be in a stressful traffic situation, have some tools ahead of time that you've practiced or that you plan to use, whether it's something as simple as deep breathing or counting, but just something to be able to help you keep your cool in those situations.
If that doesn't work, consider therapy or attending an anger management group.
Thinking before you speak, thinking before you act. It's an old saying, but it does have merit.
Bill Churchwell, 3 News.